our biggest advice. Books.
And push, and push. This is how we got these ones in. So the two blocks of bed surface was pushed in separately and then glued together with each other. And you can see the kind of sandwich they're made up of. So 2 plywoods with beams in between. The wood beams are mostly there to be able to glue things together, and the metal beams are what's actually giving the structural strength. And then there's this wood beam along the wall that's screwed into the wall. You might be wondering what this hole around the door is and how that's going to be solved. So there's going to be a cupboard above the door, where the floor in the cupboard is a little bit above the door.